Hi guys, welcome to yet another wonderful session of learning with Prepclass. My name is Tutor Olalekon Israel, your Prepclass tutor. Now in today's session, we will be answering questions from the JAMB English 2020 past questions. Remember, the purpose for this session is to help you prepare for your JAMB examination. So in this video, we will be answering question 26 to question 30. Before we begin to answer the questions, please take a moment of your time to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification, also like and comment as we go along in this video together. Alright, let's begin. Question 26. The instruction reads, in each of the following questions, that's 26 to 30, choose the option nearest in meaning to the words or phrase in italics. Choose the option nearest in meaning to the words or phrase in italics. Now, question 26. The move to expel the chairman was sanctioned by members of the party. The move to expel the chairman was sanctioned by members of the party. Now, the word in italics here is sanctioned. So, which option is the nearest in meaning to sanctioned? The options we have are A. Unleashed. The move to expel the chairman was unleashed by members of the party. B. The move to expel the chairman was opposed by members of the party. C. The move to expel the chairman was supported by members of the party. D. The move to expel the chairman was initiated by members of the party. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to sanction? Let us define the word sanction first. Now, the word sanction means to approve, to support, to authorize. So basically, the move to expel the chairman was supported, was approved, was authorized by members of the party. Now, which option is the nearest in meaning to sanction? Now, unleashed means to release, to free. The move to expel the chairman was unleashed, was released by members of the party. The move to expel the chairman was opposed. Opposed means to be against. The move to expel the chairman was opposed by members of the party. The move to expel the chairman was supported. Supported means to be in support of or to second. To be in support of. So the move to expel the chairman was supported by members of the party. The move to expel the chairman was initiated. The move to expel the chairman was initiated, was started, was commenced by members of the party. So which of these options is the nearest in meaning to sanctioned? Remember, sanction means to approve, to support, to authorize. So the answer to this question is supported. The move to expel the chairman was supported, was sanctioned by members of the party. Peradventure, the chairman of the party has stepped on toes. So they want to expel him. So members of the party sanctioned the move to expel him. Members of the party supported the move to expel the chairman. Alright, let's move on to the next question quickly. Question number 27. Remember, we have to select the option that is nearest in meaning to the word in italics. Question 27 reads, the chairman advised the participants to follow convention in stating their points. The chairman advised the participants to follow convention in stating their points. Now, the word in italics here is convention. So the options we have are eloquence. The chairman advised the participants to follow eloquence in stating their points. B. Advice. The chairman advised the participants to follow advice in stating their points. C. The chairman advised the participants to follow prudence in stating their points. C. The chairman advised the participants to follow tradition in stating their points. So which of these options is the best or is the nearest in meaning to the word convention? Now, what does the word convention mean? Convention is a behavior and attitudes that most people in a society consider to be normal and right. So behavior and attitudes that people consider to be normal and right. People in a society, the behaviors and attitudes that they consider normal and right. That is what convention means. Now, advice means guidance. direction. Eloquence means to be fluent or persuasive. You can speak well. You are a very good orator. Prudence is a behavior that is careful and avoids risk. A behavior that is careful and avoids risk. Tradition is a belief, principle, or way of acting. A belief, way of acting that people in a particular society or group have continued to follow for a long time. Now, if convention means a behavior, or it means behaviors and attitudes that most people in a society consider to be normal and right. Tradition means a belief, principle, or way of acting that people in a particular society or group have continued to follow for a long time. Now, following a particular belief, a particular way of acting for a long time means they consider it to be normal and right. So the answer to this question is tradition. The chairman advised the participants to follow convention in stating their points. Follow the tradition. There is a way we do things here. Follow the convention. Follow the tradition. So the answer to this question is tradition. The chairman advised the participants to follow convention, to follow tradition in stating their points. Alright, moving on to the next question, question number 28. Question 28 reads, Adamu is rather meddlesome in dealing with his friends. Adamu is rather meddlesome in dealing with his friends. Remember, we had to select the option that is nearest in meaning to the meaning of the word in italics. Now, the word in italics here is meddlesome. The options we have are impertinent. Adamu is rather impertinent in dealing with his friends. B. Adamu is rather intimidating in dealing with his friends. C. Adamu is rather quarrelsome in dealing with his friends. D. Adamu is rather uncaring in dealing with his friends. What is the nearest in meaning to meddlesome? What does the word meddlesome mean? Now, meddlesome means to be intrusive or acting in an offensive manner. When you are meddlesome, you are actually involving yourself in issues that you are not called to interfere in. You are intrusive. Synonyms of meddlesome include busybody, like interfering, meddling, involving yourselves in issues that do not concern you in an annoying way. Remember, meddlesome means to be intrusive. You are involving yourself in issues that you are not invited to comment on. Acting in an offensive manner. Now, impertinent means to be disrespectful, rude, or inappropriate. Intimidating means to be terrifying or scary. Quarrelsome means to be confrontational, argumentative, like arguments. Uncaring means to lack sympathy for others. So the answer to this question is impertinent. Adamu is rather meddlesome in dealing with his friends. Now, there's an issue on ground and Adamu has not been invited, but he wants to what? Put his nose. He is nosy. He is becoming, or he is acting like a busybody. He wants to involve himself by force in the issue on ground. So if you are behaving like that, you are meddlesome. Now, that is you being rude. You are not respectful. That is disrespectful. It is not appropriate. Remember, impertinent means to be disrespectful, to be rude. Being intrusive is being rude. So Adamu is rather meddlesome. Adamu is rather impertinent in dealing with his friends. Alright, let's move on to the next question. Question number 29. Question 29 reads, I am yet to write the penultimate paragraph of my essay. Remember, we had to select the option that is nearest in meaning to the word in italics. I am yet to write the penultimate paragraph of my essay. Now, the word in italics here is penultimate. Now, the options we have are A, last but one. I am yet to write the last but one paragraph of my essay. B, I am yet to write the third to the last paragraph of my essay. C, I am yet to write the second paragraph of my essay. D, I am yet to write the concluding paragraph of my essay. Now, the word penultimate means the last but one. The last but one. That means you have one more to go. Penultimate means the last but one in a series or a sequence. Like students in SS2 are in their penultimate secondary school class. It's the last but one class. So penultimate means the last but one. So the answer to this question is A, last but one. I am yet to write the penultimate paragraph of my essay. meaning I am here to write the last but one paragraph of my essay. Right, let's move on to the next question. Question number 30. Question 30 reads, to be above board is to be dash. A. To be above board is to be dash. Remember, we have to select the option that is nearest in meaning to the word or the phrase in italics. Now, the phrase in italics here is above board. The options we have are A. Afloat. To be above board is to be afloat. B. To be above board is to be on top of a plank. C. To be above board is to be above suspicion. D. To be above board is to be raised above a board. Now, the word above board means to be done in a completely honest and straightforward way. To be above board means to be done or acted in a completely honest and straightforward way. So the answer to this question is above suspicion. If you're acting in a straightforward way, you are above suspicion. There's nothing you are hiding. So the answer to this question is option C. To be above board is to be above suspicion. Remember, above board means to be done in a completely honest and straightforward way. In a completely honest and straightforward way. When you are honest, when you are straightforward, you are above suspicion. So, above suspicion is the answer to this question. Okay, that is the last question we will be taking in this video. Please do not forget to join us on WhatsApp. We are active on WhatsApp. Check for the WhatsApp link in the description of this video. Join us on WhatsApp, connect with us on WhatsApp, ask us questions on WhatsApp. Okay, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment. Also, share this post and other posts on our page with your friends and loved ones. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day.